Come out here. Speedy's already out here. Who's that, Speedy? Huh? Who's that? Who's that? Alright, 1 second. Is there anything over here? Nothing here? I gotta go get some, guys. I don't have any. I'm gonna leave them over here. Alright, guys, 1 second. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me get some. Katie. Katie. Alright, these. What do we use here? Alright, there we go. Look at Katie. Katie, those are our buddies over there. Come, watch yourself, Katie. Katie, watch yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Of course you don't want it. I don't have time to go to the refrigerator and get you the cold ones. No job, all right. All right, one more. All right, you took that one. Oh my gosh. Picky squirrels. Oh, you know what it is? It's these pecans here I just took out. It's the bottom of the tub, and they may have been in there for a week or 2 weeks at regular temperature. So sometimes some of them may not be good. I mean, I think they're still edible, but these squirrels have become real picky. Yeah. Here you go, sweet pea. Look, you don't want it. Come on now. All right, let me see. Let me look at some of these. All right, this looks like it could be a good one. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. What do you want? What do you want? Yeah. No. Yeah. No. You have a picky squirrel. I ain't going back inside, man. There's a ton of stuff out here. All right, one second. Yeah. No. I haven't dumped the whole bucket out of you. Where do you go? Did you leave? All right, finally you got the man. Here, here's one more. Is he eating it? Did you go test it maybe? Oh, hey, Mikey, he likes it. Oh, he chopped it. He killed. All right. Oh man, come on, guys. I ain't going in there for no one. Yeah. See, look at that. Not picky. I like that. Not picky. Oh, is that an engine one up there? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Looks like he's got the marks on him, like a hawk dove down, tried to get him. Yeah, look at the skin, the fur missing on the side of him. He got some fur missing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he does. Near miss from a hawk. Oh my gosh. You guys, everybody's coming out here. I don't know. Yeah. Good. You gonna test it? No, alright. Jesus. Where's the bottom of the thing here, man? Try it. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, there's 5. Dude, I ain't going inside, dude. Alright, see? Picked one up. Oh, man, come on, dude. Why are you guys coming up to me? They're all up there. All the stuff is up there. Oh, he grabbed one. Alright, good. I threw out enough here. You're burying him anyway. This is a squirrel. I want to see the marks on him from the side. If he'll let me. Hard to tell. Alright, there you go. Let's look. Yeah, you see that on his mid-side? Look. He's got it on both sides, but looks like the talons came down, tried to grab him, and he got away. If the hawk don't get him just right, the hawk will let him go. The hawk doesn't want to risk injury. The hawk tries to get him, and with both talons and snap the neck. But if the hawk doesn't land just right, they'll release the squirrel because they don't want to. If they get injured, then the hawk is dead. So you want to see that a lot. A lot of squirrels with some missing fur. Scrapes. Sometimes they fight with each other. Oh, who's that? Is that you, Stormy? It is Stormy. Stormy, all right. Stormy, you I gotta go in for. Mama would never forgive me. Come on, Stormy. All right, Stormy. 1 second, baby. All right, Stormy. Yeah, Stormy. Here, give me a second. Let me go get her. All right, let me go get him, Stormy. Come on, I'm trying to keep it. I'm gonna get it. Stormy. 1 second, girl. 1 second. 1 second, baby. Here you go. Here you go, Stormy. Here you go. Here you go. That's our rescue baby, Stormy. Have to go in for her. Usually I'd go inside for all of them, but when I'm filming it, yeah, if I'm gonna be running in and out, it'll be all day. So I grabbed a handful here, and I got 3 more. These are the ice cold ones in the refrigerator. The ones that are in the refrigerator, they'll stay fresh longer. But when you get 500 pounds, I don't have 500 pounds of freezer space. So if you keep them sealed, they last longer, and we do. But as we take each 50-pound batch and then we start using it. Every time we open the bucket, air gets in, and they tend to go bad quick in a week or so. So, not to mention the moths that come out of these pecans. We have moths in our house because of the pecans. They die quickly. The cats kill them when we get them. But we do get these little white moths that hibernate inside the pecans on the outside or whatever. And part of the reason why these are, donated to us is they're not sellable. I mean, even though most of them are good, there may be a batch that have the moths or just are a little damaged. And Lane Southern Orchard is great. They hold them for us. Squirrels love them. The wildlife eat them. So it's better than throwing them out. And, they're getting some use out of them rather than them just being thrown away. I keep a healthy squirrel population. Grateful for all the people in Lane Southern Orchard. Bill Cheslock in particular, he's been great. Really, everybody there has been great. Bill just was the one I spoke to, and really hooked us up with the pecans. So, definitely grateful for everything he's done for us. Good, look, see, somebody's coming taking the little ones that you guys don't want. It's a busy morning. Labor Day. About to go out to eat breakfast with the wife, and we do some shopping. How peaceful it is out here. Hey, I got a good one for you, Sweet Pea. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Smiley. Smiley. Here you go, Smiley. Alright. Smiley lives in that tree, has 2 babies. They were in our squirrel house, but now she's moved them up the tree. And we just cleaned out that house. Well, my wife cleaned it out. Just teaching them how to build nests. Alright guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Squirrels are bopping around this morning. Everybody's happy. Everybody's eating. Now I gotta get something to eat. Nothing like a $50 breakfast at IHOP, right? It's probably what it's gonna cost at meal. Me and my wife. Yeah. Maybe I'll get the senior breakfast, right? I'm officially a senior, so I've never used the senior menu. Oh my gosh. But yeah, gotta have some fun. All right, you guys, have a great day, everybody.